Welcome to this FX Empire review of Eightcap, a broker that was founded in 2009 and is the official supplier of Scuderia Ferrari. As we can see here on the broker's license and regulations page, they are registered and authorised by the Australian Securities and Investments Commission and have an Australian Financial Services licence. They also say here that retail client funds are kept separately from business funds in segregated bank accounts, and they take additional protection of funds by purchasing and maintaining professional indemnity insurance policies and carrying out regular audits. We can confirm this authorization by looking at the ASIC register, and we can actually see that Eightcap Pty Ltd is authorized and regulated by the Australian Securities and Investments Commission. The broker also opened Eightcap Global in 2019, which is incorporated in Vanuatu and regulated by the Vanuatu Financial Services Commission, as we can see here at the bottom of the web page in the footer text. Eightcap offers the ability to trade on two different trading accounts, the standard account and raw account. As we can see here, the standard account offers zero commission trading with spreads starting from 1 pip, and we can see the raw account offers commission-based trading of $3.50 with spreads starting from 0 pips. Both accounts require a minimum deposit of just $100. The broker also provides some very useful information in terms of account comparison. And as we scroll further down, we can actually compare the two different accounts. And we see here on the standard account, typical euro-dollar spread between 0.5 and 1.8 pips. On the raw account, that would be 0 to 1 pip. As on the raw account, they offer raw interbank direct pricing. So we can see here with the commissions on the standard account, $0 commissions, and on the raw account, $3.50 per standard lot traded. Available leverage is up to 500 to 1, and we can see the minimum initial deposits here, or in Australian dollar, 100 Australian dollars or equivalent, and a variety of different base currencies on the standard account: Aussie, US dollar, Euro, Pound, and New Zealand dollar, and on the raw account, Aussie, US dollar, Euro, and GBP. So a very simple yet transparent offering that is very competitive. Eightcap offer a variety of markets to trade on, and this includes foreign exchange, commodities, indices, shares, and cryptocurrencies. If we click on the Forex page, it takes us to a page which has detailed information on trading foreign exchange with the broker, and as we scroll down, it talks about different platforms available, which we'll look at in a moment, as well as some information on foreign exchange trading and trading different currency pairs, as well as a frequently asked questions step. Eightcap also offer a page which details all their spreads, typical spreads for the different asset classes available to trade on. As we can see here, typical spreads here for major Forex pairs, minor pairs, and exotic pairs. And we can scroll down, we've got typical spread here for indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies. So very useful information there for users considering trading different asset classes with Eightcap. The broker provides the ability to trade on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, and we'll be covering the trading platform in more detail further on in this video review. But as you can see here, they offer the MetaTrader 4 trading platform, and they talk about some of the features that are available, 9 different timeframes, 30 built-in indicators with MetaTrader 4, as well as the access you have, so MT4 for desktop, Android, and iOS. And you can have a comparison here between the MT4 and MT5 platform. And they also offer the MetaTrader 5 platform, and also offer a bit more information on trading with the MetaTrader 5 platform, such as the web trader platform that they offer with MT5. And as we scroll down, you can see here the web platform, desktop, Android, and iOS. And we'll be covering these platforms in more detail as we go through the review. Eightcap also provide a wide range of analysis and educational tools. As we can see here in the analysis section, there are many different articles covering different topics, and we see a new article pretty much every single trading day or business day. So quite frequent and quite useful to read. And if we look at the first article, which is about gold, we can actually see here we have some text describing what's happening in the gold market, as well as a chart showing support and resistance levels that users can use to their ability. The broker also offers some impressive educational resources, and they are categorized into MetaTrader Guides, fundamentals and trading strategies, as we can see here. Things covering psychology, fundamentals, trading strategies as we go through the different topics. And you can actually go to each individual section and you see the MetaTrader Guides here. So lots of different MetaTrader Guides on how to change your password, using a navigator, market watch, how to add indicators and so on. So really, really useful for beginner traders starting out with the actual platform. And they also offer educational tools on trading strategies, as we can see here. So analysis on different trading setups, which is going to be great resources for both beginner and advanced traders. And they're covering not only trading strategies with indicators, but also other technical analysis and trading psychology as well. Eightcap also provide multilingual 24 hours a day, 5 days a week customer support. We can see telephone numbers, email addresses, as well as an online chat facility and the links to different websites. So we'll click on the live chat function and test this out right now. So here on the bottom right, I've connected to an agent literally within a few seconds. I've asked if they offer demo trading accounts, and the agent has been very responsive in a very fast time frame, and it's giving me instructions on where I can actually do that. So really useful to have that customer support 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Now let's have a look at the MetaTrader trading platform provided by Eightcap. So here we have the MetaTrader 5 desktop trading platform provided by Eightcap. As we can see on the left hand side, we've got a list of available markets that are available to trade with. But if we right click on this and click on symbols, then it opens up a window where we can actually see all the symbols that are available to trade on. So we have foreign exchange, indices, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. And you can show all the symbols by clicking show all. And right now we're seeing all the symbols available to trade with right now. And we can see here we're looking at a chart of euro against the US dollar. And we see the spread here is pretty tight right now, just under a pip there. So pretty tight spreads there on the euro dollar. We can also see pound against US dollar spread here for around 2 pips currently. And we can change different time frames and do different things here. So we can go to view, for example, and we can select toolbars and time frames, and we can actually see we can customize the time frames to 4-hour charts, 1-hour charts, daily, 5-minute charts. We can also go to insert indicators, and this gives us a list of different indicators we can plot on. Envelopes, moving averages, Ichimoku clouds as well, different oscillators as well, such as MACD, stochastic oscillator. So we click on this and then we can simply add it to the chart. And there's also other functionality at the bottom here, as you can see, news, calendar, signals, and general access to the MQL5 marketplace for customized indicators and programming. So to take a trade is pretty simple. We've got either order tickets by clicking new order, and we can place different types of orders here, so limits and stops. There's also a one-click trading feature here at the top as well, and if you simply click the buy button, a disclaimer will pop up first of all, and once you've read and accepted those and pressed OK, we go back in and click buy. You can see straight away that a trade has been opened here on the bottom, and you can see the entry level here on the chart, and you can actually trade from the chart as well. So we can left click and hold down on the entry price, drag it down to put in a stop loss. And now you see that stop loss is being pre-populated in the order ticket below. Now we can also put a take profit here as well. We can left click and hold down, and we can drag it up and put in a take profit. So really simple to trade on, and really simple to manage trades as well directly from the chart. And to close a trade, you can also right click here. You've got options such as trailing stop losses, and you've got options as changing the different columns you're viewing, but you can also click close position. So very simple to use, sell or buy button, the sell for short, buy for long. Now let's have a look at the MetaTrader mobile trading app provided by Eightcap. So here we have the MetaTrader 4 mobile trading app provided by Eightcap. As we can actually see here on the home screen, we've got access to quotes, charts, trading activity, news, and an economic calendar. If we go to the quotes tab, we can actually see there's a list of quotes here of different currencies, and we can add to this as well by clicking the pencil icon here at the top, the plus icon, and you can see the different asset classes that are available to trade with. So all of these different currencies, such as exotic currencies, that we can add to our watch list. And we can see here, if we scroll down, we've got euro dollar there at the bottom, so spread 1.7 pip, 1.5 pip right now. So if we click on that one, for example, we can either open a new order or open a chart. And if I click on open chart, you can actually see here, this is now opened a chart of euro against the US dollar. And we have different features available to us. We can add different indicators by clicking the F icon, and you can actually add different indicators onto the charts, Bollinger Bands, envelopes, and so on. And if we go back, you can actually see you can change the time frame. So you can see you've got 1 minute charts all the way up until monthly charts. And then you can also trade directly from here as well. So if we click this plus icon here, we've got different options such as market execution, limit orders, and stop orders. And we can go long and short by buying the market or selling the market. And we can also just use this buy at market or sell by market option at the bottom, which provides market execution. So if I click on buy by market, for example, this trade has now been opened. And you can see here it's in this trading window. And one thing you'll notice, there's no stop loss or take profit attached. So to add on a stop loss or take profit, just need to hold down on the trade. And we've got some options to modify the order, close order or new order. I'm going to click on modify. And this is where now we can start to put in a take profit level. Okay, and just moving that green horizontal line up to your chosen take profit level. And then we can also put in our stop loss by dragging that down as well. Click on modify. And now when we go back to the actual trade, it will show that it's been modified. In this instance, it's been no connection. So you can just go back in and actually look at that order, and it hasn't been added in. And actually this one, it has been added in. This is one we took earlier. So, you know, really simple functionality there. And I'm just going to hold down on this and click on close order. And I'm going to close this. And then I'm going to go back and click on this and click on close order as well. So, you know, pretty simple to use. And that wraps up this FX Empire review of Eightcap. Hope you found it to be of value, and we wish you all the best in your trading.